don't know what's happening. Why did she instantly just, it was.
Kuyazenzakalela.
Man, do you guys know one another
Kuyazenzakalela.
in
We have the same father.
I don't know if it's true. That's why I'm a follower.
But in no Jonas.
No, Uba Bioza. Who's that?
Mina ngitshela no Jonas, angimazi uBiyos, mina ngiyazi uJonas mina.
I wonder what about Bioza now.
Uyafeba, ke manga febang.
Guys, Nina, ngisangena kuma relationships nintshele. Ngisakwazi, it's impossible now.
To do what?
What do you mean?
You guys will not be able to get into actual relationships.
What do you mean by that?
You won't. I'm telling you, there's no guy's gonna tolerate Lendian.
What do you mean no guys gonna tolerate
Yeah.
What's up when we are not in relationships?
Ngafa. Akekho umjitsa ongathi. Hayi ngeke. He's definitely not a Zulu man. Ngeke guy khohlwa uhlapha umjitsa nje. No,
ngithi mina. What if we are
love story is this. If you're looking this, if nini, so I could witnesses ask any nigga up in with the ain't his shit.
Nabanga abantu abadlayo ku-TikTok imali. You guys, yes sis. Uthego zolo lo kade ekhala inganayo imali ekhala Teko, you used to go through it.
Izinto ziyashintsha bakithi.
Nina. You guys worry me, Ngambela, seriously, as like honestly.
What do you mean? And why uthi Nina? Like what do we do kanti welungelo?
Ukujola kodwa ngeke. Fortunate, be honest. Yiphi indoda ezomelana lento le? Khuluma iqiniso.
Yiphi? Ngiyenzeni mina?
Bye mama. Uthi papa ekuthina noma? Oh yeah.
Yeah, what do you mean? What do you mean?
You cannot be in a relationship right now.
What do you mean? What do you mean?
Hey.
How sure are you that I'm not in a relationship currently?
No, I can't be sure. Gang was seriously. When.
So you wouldn't date me?
No, because we're in the same line of work in terms of content creation, or just, I'm not a content creator because I don't create content. I'm just a simple guy who lives my life, I guess, and it turns into content. But I would personally, because I understand what you're doing, and I understand that you're a public figure in terms of, rather, let's say, a social media personality. No, social media personality.
Public figure.
No, you're a social media personality.
I'm a what? I'm a public figure.
I'd be able to date you, but an ordinary guy ongekho busy on social media, guys understand.
But you know what's the thing? If I go busy with social media,
yeah, angithi nifuna amajisa kanjalo with abana 5 following or whatever. Those are your guys' type.
Yeah, I mean, yeah, that's my typical type. I'm not gonna lie to you. Like, I feel like my type is someone who's, who doesn't care about social media. But I also wouldn't mind dating someone on social media. Like, I would know.
Now. Why kwenzakalani kahle kahle? Oh, singiyakhumbula. Hey, damn.
Zion. Sasinentenhle.
Lalela phela ngitshela. Lalela, sisiyafollowishana naye lo muntu esikhuluma ngayo. Wangifollowisha. You know what happened? Listen, let me tell you what happened. I was live like this with this one girl, ne? Random girl I found. Oh, yeah, she's an okay. Athi kumina, khona umngane nami ufuna ukungena. Khala katha ufaka yena. It was the most awkwardest thing ever. Like, how? Look at lo uthi, I know, Australia and whatnot. It was so awkward, Bandla, but he followed and I followed back, and then yeah. Uguti, I don't
Yeah,
want to.
no,
I don't want us
it's
going
good.
live together. That's going to be an issue.
Hmm?
I don't want us going
Yeah.
live together. Yeah, sure. I don't want me and him going live together.